3 things I would never do as a specialist in exercise therapy. Number 3, not moving at all after an injury or with a chronic condition. Yes, we have to listen to our body, and recovery and rest is extremely important, but at some point we have to get moving, even if it's just a little bit. Zero movement can actually make things worse. So when you're ready, talk to your doctor about a movement plan that's right for you. Number 2, focusing solely on physical appearance over functional strength and overall health. There are a lot of workouts and info out there that's geared towards having the perfect bod and losing weight fast, but those are not necessarily the programs that will lead you to your healthiest, happiest, and most balanced life. Find something that's sustainable for your everyday life. And I say your everyday life because everybody's everyday life is different. And number 1, being overly obsessed with the end goal and the time frame that it takes to get there. Fitness, workouts, exercise, movement, whatever you want to call it, is a forever thing. We're going to be doing this for the rest of our lives. So no matter how long it's going to take to get to your goal, the journey will always continue. So let's learn to enjoy the journey and the process. That's how it becomes a lifestyle. That's how it becomes an everyday thing. I hope this helps. Keep going. You totally got this.